Nice draw. That's 1,000 RPM.
1,000?
Yeah.
1,000 RPM, okay.
Yeah. It'll do this in 2 spots, then go do a tool change, and that's when I run the RPMs on up.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
3 different more stages. We'll start out at 100.
Yeah. How was it doing? Oh, okay.
Now it's going to cut a 4-inch long slot. It's feeding into the part, now it's going to cut a 4-inch L.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can see it. Yeah, now it's, making the other leg of the L.
And then after this, it'll go up, spin up to 8,000 RPM, and come over here and do the same thing.
Okay.
And then it'll go up. Didn't put a dwell, so I'll have to just hit the same block. And it'll spin up to,
Gotcha. So this is, now it's at 8,000 RPM.
yeah. And then after this 2 blocks, it'll go up on a single block and let it here with 12,000.
Tripping cooler.
Coolant dripping?
Just
Excess
a
in
moment.
the line.
Just a moment, yeah.
Some of the extra y-axis travel with that.
Let's say you have that all the way up, don't you?
Okay. There.
Did you mess up the program?
No, I didn't stop it.
Oh, you didn't stop it.
Just so you could hear the
12,000.
12,000.
Yeah.
So let's push rerun that for.
So what are we running it at now?
It's going to just rerun that also.
The 8,000.
Yeah. It's 5,000 first.
Oh gosh. Okay.
Yeah, I'll speed it up.
Yeah. Okay, we're rerunning it. The 5,000 RPM L, then the 8,000 RPM L, and we're speeding up to get through it. And then we'll ramp it up to 12,000. Somebody hit a wrong button.
I didn't hit the button on time. We were talking.
It failed to hit the button. Yeah. All right.
And 12,000 RPM.
So now it's running at 12,000 RPM. That's it.